Hello family, welcome back to my channel. This is TT Toast Family, and today I have my sandwich. I have my bread here. I want to make my sandwich, and guys, I want to show you guys how I make my sandwich. And it's very easily to make, and it tastes good. You know, you can make it and take it to work for lunch, so it's very easy. I'm just going to show you guys how I started my sandwich. And in the beginning, I got this bread. From Sam's Club. You can get your bread. You can have any type of bread you like to use for your sandwich, but I prefer this one because it's very soft. So I like that bread, this type of bread, to make my sandwich. And I just get it for only, I open the bag, I just get it for only $1. I got it for only $1. And here my bread, I'll just take my bread. I'll open my bread. Just easily I cut it into two. And this, you can use mayonnaise for your sandwich. I prefer mayonnaise. I like to use mayonnaise. Sometimes I also use cheese. You can use provolone, you can use white American cheese. You can use different type of cheese as you like. You can use cheese Swiss. So I prefer to use mayonnaise. This is the type of mayonnaise I like to use. It make with eggs. This is the type of mayonnaise I like to use, and it tastes really good. You can get it at Walmart or Sam's Club, or anywhere, and any supermarket, Fairway or Family Fair, whatever. Any supermarket you can get it. So this is how I'm going to start making my sandwich. Now I have my bread. This one is ham. It's half the bone. You go to Walmart or Hy-Vee, you get it half the bone. You just say you want half the bone. I got this one. This is half the bone. This one is cereally roast beef. This is roast beef. I got it at Walmart too. And this one is turkey. I got the turkey at Walmart too. So then I have my lettuce here. I already wash it and dry it. So I'm going to just put it in my plate here. And I'll open my mayonnaise. I open it. It's very simple, easy to open too. And I take my spoon like this. Take my spoon. Just take only one spoon, and you rub it in your bread. Just rub it in your bread. Put it in your bread. In the second side, just put it in your bread. If it's not enough, like it's not enough, you can add a little bit of mayonnaise again to the second bread. Just rub it on your bread. And here I'm done with mayonnaise, putting the mayonnaise on my bread. That's it. And now you take your ham. You can use, I open my ham. Sometimes I take my ham here, this way. You fold it like this, and you put it. You fold it, and you put it. Fold it, and put it. fold it and you put it in. You can have the remaining one, you just put it somewhere and you put it in your. That is half the bone ham, and I take my roast beef. This is beef. I fold it. Roast beef, just a little bit of roast beef. You don't need so much of roast beef. You taste very good. You just take like some slice, maybe 4 or 5. It depends on how you want to make your, how you want your. Then I'm done with. So now I'm going to use here for my turkey. My turkey. Let me push this one a little bit, and you guys are going to see what I'm doing. Now you put your turkey. Here's your turkey. You put your turkey. You fold your turkey two in half. Fold your turkey and you put in. So this is how your sandwich look like. And now you take your lettuce, you put it on it. You can use like a 3 or 4. That's it. This is how you make your sandwich. Very easily. And you take your bread. This your bread now, and you put on it. Here is my sandwich. This is how I make my sandwich, and look at it. See, it looks so yummy. This is how I make my sandwich. And now, before I wrap it up, I will use my knife and cut my sandwich. I can cut it and the slice that my family can take it, like my husband can use and take some slice. My daughter can take some slice, and me also, I can take some slice. So right now, this is my knife. This is this kind of knife I like to use for my sandwich. So I'm going to slice. I'll start cutting my sandwich. You just, when you want to cut your sandwich, you can just measure your ham like this, depend, or you do it like this way. This is how I measure my sandwich, and you cut it, and you do it, and you cut it, and you cut it like so, not too big. If you want to do a patty, you can just get some turkey, ham, and roast beef, and you just put your sandwich together. If you want to use cheese with your sandwich, you can also use the cheese. Instead of mayonnaise, you can use cheese. Next time I'm going to show you guys how I use cheese for my sandwich. So today, this is how my sandwich look. Here, look at it, guys. This is how my sandwich look like. You know, then you take it and you take it like this. And sometimes you use aluminum, and you put it inside, and you take it to work. Wrap it up like this. Wrap it up like this. And you take your sandwich to work. Just put it in your bag, in your lunch bag, and you take it to work. So this is how I make my sandwich. So the remaining one, I'll just, wrap it up and put it back, put it in the freezer. So sandwich, that's all for my sandwich. So this is the way that you make your sandwich, and it's very easily and not even complicated at all. It's very easy, very easy. You just make your sandwich, and when you go to work, you take it and you eat it for lunch. You eat it for lunch, or anytime you can eat sandwich anytime you like. For lunch, for break, and whatever. You just for lunch, for dinner, for breakfast, you take it with tea or whatever you just want to eat your sandwich. So it's very good to make, and very easy to make, and very good to eat too. So it tastes good. When you go, you don't need to, you just take it, and sometimes we take food, as in we Africa people, you take your food to work, and you feel like, oh, maybe the odor of my sandwich, or the odor of my food, maybe people may not like it because of the stuff you put on it. But for this one, it's very simple and very easy. Just look at it, guys. Make sure, if you watch my video and you like this, make sure you subscribe, and click the like and the notification. Then next time if I posted my video, you're going to watch it. And thank you very much, and be blessed.